Alright guys, so we just got done buying the motor here. We had to take off the head from the block. But does a L24 fit in the back of a Civic? I think the answer is yes, but no with no head. So we're gonna head over to Max's shop now. And then let's see what he has to say about all the stuff we just bought. Alright guys, so pretty much we're pulling up to Garage Lucky 9. I kind of want to see our Max's reaction. And then hopefully we could actually get the engine out. We might have issues getting it out of here, but it should be alright. It fit in there. Yeah, it only had so I think we got the wrong one, but it ended up working out. He had some anyway. Right here, I kind of want to see what you think of this. You're gonna push it? What do you think? It looks
oh wow, it looks like brand new pistons. I wonder if they're forged, dude.
Imagine.
Wow. That'd be cool, huh? That's
dude.
Like, we were just looking at the prices on those.
Yeah, and it feels like nice, and I don't know if I'm supposed to touch it, but it feels really soft in there.
Oh yeah. Awesome.
Yeah, and then check out the head. And that one also, he was telling me, he showed me the bottom side, dude. It looks like the shiniest.
Yeah, nice. What kind of head is that?
I'm not sure. ¿Lo puedo sacar?
Yeah, bring that out. Let's bring it out. I made a little bit of room for that.
Okay.
Man. Very nice. Thank you.
Yeah, dude. This is a little, that's where the, whatchamacallit, the oil filter goes, right?
Oil filter location. So this is a custom oil pan.
Yeah.
From what I can tell, it looks custom. It looks like, well, you know what? It just looks like it's original and blasted, and then they welded this.
Yeah.
High capacity, like oil return. It looks, it's extra capacity. I'll have to look at it tomorrow and kind of look at it better.
Yeah, because I don't know if we.
He said he kept these.
Yeah, yeah.
So what kind were they? Were they?
They were just that.
Same?
Yeah, they were just that.
Why do you want to keep them?
I have no idea.
Oh man.
Yeah.
This is a good setup.
Yeah. I mean, it looks really, really promising with all the extra stuff on the side. Oh yeah, and then the bottom of, if you flip that one over, it's like super shiny. So it literally looks like it has just been resurfaced.
This one's ED8. Okay.
And then he said that something was seated on it.
They just don't have the same opinion about what.
Okay, so the new valves.
And of course, now the book is called Daylight Robbery. So you've got a U.S. version coming.
So this is like a street head. Like ED8 heads are like good street heads. Like they're good for all motor. They're fucking good. I mean, I didn't get to dig in too much yet.
Yeah.
Okay, from what I see, like these are flat top piston and rods. I'm thinking that this is the original size. They already came with some. They already have some. These are like cleaned up. They look like they're used.
Yeah.
These parts right here are. These are like some random bolts. I don't know what really these are. These look like maybe like some main bolts or something for the block. These are piston pins. Those are for the pistons. These are all used parts.
Yeah,
the oil pump. What do we have here? The used timing chain.
Yeah.
What's this? This is a distributor. Some shit. This is electronic ignition, but this is to upgrade yours, but we're not going to use that.
Okay.
This is. Oh look, somebody's already done the research and they did shorter valve stem seals.
Okay.
Because originally, see, this one makes me believe. This has gives me a lot of clues here. See, so here we go, stock valve stem seal.
Right.
And here we got the upgraded what are they called? The Datsun valve stem seals. See how much shorter they are?
Let's see if I can get the. Yeah.
See that different length right there?
Yeah.
That's literally what you do when you have like the when you shave the head. That's what I should have been done. I literally have these sitting on my desk to replace on mine because I was getting my valve seals were leaking. But it's because the valves will hit the top of these and allow a little oil to press through.
Okay.
But this is not like a common thing, you know. It's like somebody's done some research to need those. So the fact that these are there, makes you believe that somebody's, you know, done some cool shit.
Yeah.
I still haven't looked to see what all this stuff is, but it seems to just be all a full Schneider valve train. These look like to be just more. These are the rocker arms. Yep. Brand new rocker arms.
Oh, let's see if I can focus. There we go.
These are the brand new lash pads. So these go in with the new rocker arms.
Okay.
And the fact that they're already measured out, again, it makes me believe somebody's already done their research. Because this is something that you do very last.
Yeah.
And this is kind of cool. This is kind of special and real cool. That you don't see these much.
Pulley crank.
This is a single row pulley. So if you look at my engine, this engine, any engine in here, they don't have a single row.
They have the second.
They have two.
Okay,
yeah.
Gotcha.
And so this is kind of special. This is what makes it very lightweight and makes it desirable for a lot of different reasons.
That's cool.
Yeah. So this is cool, and the fact that it still has the box.
I know, right?
That's why it could be worth it a little bit. Who knows? That's cool. Brand new oil pump. I believe it could be high pressure. I hope it's high pressure.
Okay.
What are these? These are a carb repair kit. I'm not sure if we need that, but.
So for a bobber by any chance? Motorcycle?
For real. Rear main seal, front main seal.
Okay.
I don't know if somebody looks to make a catalytic converter. More front main seal. I'm not sure what these are, but they look to be maybe for the valve for the head. Maybe where the seals, where the valve seats. Maybe the valve seats. I think so. Here's more valves. These are, I think these are valve guides. I think that's what those are in here.
Okay.
And here we got all the new intake valves. These look to be brand spanking new. Bam. Brand spanking new intake valves. Here's the new brand new exhaust valves.
Oh hell yeah.
And then we got the full timing setup. We got a timing sprocket. It looks to be just OEM replacement. I already checked it out.
Okay.
Chain guides, new roller chain, new chain temperature, timing socket, the whole new timing sprocket, and the chain guide. 2 chain guides, yep.
Alright guys. So here is the bottom of the block here. Are these brand new? Look brand new, right?
What's that?
The crank.
Oh, it's definitely been polished, yeah.
Polished, yeah.
Somebody cleaned it up.
Okay.
Somebody's been in there and cleaned it up really well. Looks like you got some Venolia. It's kind of hard to see, but you can kind of zoom in down there. This one might be fine if you see some light.
Right.
Yeah, so there you got some Venolia. It looks like to be some Venolia forged pistons.
No way.
It looks like it. Look. Yeah. Definitely looks like some Venolia forged pistons. If you look closely, you could tell the walls on the block have been ground out, like from all the casting marks.
Right.
And usually they do that, you know, to get the oil to slosh down a little faster.
Okay.
So someone took a lot of time to do that all throughout the block inside. The cranks, you'll notice that they have these like the set screws. So those have been drilled out. and cleaned. It's like the oil galleys for the crank.
Right.
And then they just go ahead and tap them, and they put these little set screws in there. So somebody's taking a lot of time to do that. Then you've got the ARP main studs.
Yeah.
So that's a nice bonus there. Let's go ahead and turn it around. They've smoothed like the caps. They've done a lot of work to the block itself.
Yeah.
And then some other. Go ahead and pull it.
Yeah. Did you paint it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It,
That looks nice.
Yeah. So anyway, I've already started it a little bit by putting in the core plugs,
Okay.
and then I found some brass plugs for that.
Okay.
But you'll notice what I've noticed is what stood out to me is that they did the front also. They tapped it. It's another oil galley. They tapped it and put another NTP fitting in there. That's not normal. That's like some race prep shit.
Okay.
It's there in the back. Another one.
Okay.
You have one there, and then you have one in the oil galley as well. So they took out the oil relief, and then now it's been tapped, and so it just needs a plug there as well.
Right on.
Yeah, but those are the.
Dude, that's exciting.
Yeah, look, it's nice. It's a nice motor. Got some of the parts off of your old motor.
Okay.
That we'll be unwrapping today because some of these parts are can go back on here now. We got the new motor mounts. We've got the alternator. We can get this finished up, cleaned up, and put this on there because this is the front cover for it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
How does that look? Good condition?
Yeah, it's in good condition. It just needed to be cleaned up a little bit.
Okay.
But I got a new water pump on order for you because we didn't get that originally.
Okay.
We didn't get a new water pump ordered, so that'll be here maybe Monday.
Right on.
But then we've got the whole gasket kit. Excuse me, it's right there. We've got the oil pan that we've already painted.
Okay.
So most of this stuff could go on. This is the only thing if you want to help me clean it before we start.
Okay. Just a quick recap, guys. This is the new one we just got the other day. And then this is our old block. Basically, it was too much damage to be used. So we got it back from the machine shop. And basically, this is the new one we got. And apparently, we found some goodies in there, which is really, really exciting. But yeah, it looks like we're going to use some of the bottom end parts that are still in good condition and just transfer them over. But man, that's really exciting news on this one. So we got it for a really good deal, and yeah.
Just about the black block.
Right on. Yeah, that's the color it was, huh?
Yeah.
I even forgot what it looked like.
So I just masked everything off, front cover, threw a little primer on it, and now that's the color already that it is.
Yeah.
It's a little and that's it now.
I love the outcome, man. We just started transferring some parts over from our old block, which is that one. And we're going to be using the head we just got with all that parts we got over here. I guess the problems might be when we come, because we have an L28 which is fuel injected versus an L24 that's carbureted. So hopefully it's plug and play and we stay fuel injected, but if not, we're going to go back to carbs. And yeah, I think that's where we're at right now.